Hi there, welcome to Higher Ground and welcome to today. I have a little bit of a passage through the book of Dharma, and this is what I'm going to read to you today. And it says, "We all sit through storms of pain and anguish. We push on into the gale force winds of our own resistance. We strive to untangle the knots of our karmic inheritance until we faint from exhaustion and finally give up." So that brings me to my topic today, and that's if you're at a stalemate, a crossroads, or have a difficult choice, or you're haunted by your wounds from the past. When you're blocked, when your mind is numb, yet you're looping through all what has happened in your life, all what has happened in the incidents that has you stuck. But it's probably a reoccurring pattern of your life. It's probably happened before. It's these patterns that we have to move past, these knots that we have to untie within ourselves so we can reach a flow once more of spontaneity, of synchronicity. And that's freeing your attention. It's freeing your attention from the energy that's holding you hostage. Your problems, your dilemmas, your wounds, your negative self-talk, all what's holding you hostage and keeping you numb inside yourself. So you have to, at this point, learn how to stop your mind, how to just drop it. Come to a place where you just drop everything that is moving in your mind. Can you do that? Can you just drop it? Just drop what's in your mind. It's like, let it go. This is where you feed your spirit, in this letting go. If you learn how to sit there, practice that. Just drop it. Become empty. Not numb, where you're still spinning in the fog of the chaos. Just drop it. This is where you find your spirit. And you choose experiences that empowers your spirit and your soul. You start to feed yourself. A lot of us have antennas and tentacles all over us where everything is feeding us, our worries, our problems, the people, the gaslighters, and all of these people we've attached ourselves to that are, because all of these entities, all of these things they can't sustain life force energy, so they're hooked onto you. So you have to drop it in your mind and then, allow everything to drop in your body. Okay, and feed your spirit. And when you feed your spirit, you start to recognize the strongholds. Okay. And see, this is really personal now. This is where it gets personal, because only you know what you need to do to feed your spirit. Only you know. And the more you inquire within yourself, like, what is going on? What am I doing? Ask yourself some valid questions. Who is holding on to my life force? Who is holding on to my energy? Who's lying to me? And why am I ignoring it? Even people that, relationships that you've let go of and you're wounded with this, you can't understand why. You have to see the light with this. And only you can see the light. Maybe it's that this person has showed you everything you don't want and showed you how honorable you are in the name of love. You know, there, I keep doing that. But this is true. This is true. So the more you inquire within yourself, the stronger your knowing will become. And this will restore your vitality, right? Your awareness and uplift your vibration. Because flowing in all of these wounds will keep your vibration down. And and then everybody and everything, your mind, all the nasty, narcissistic monitoring, familiar gaslighters out there, they got you right where they want you, locked in your mind, so it's freeing your spirit, okay? And then your spirit, your vibes, when you feed your spirit, when you do something that you need to do, that's quieting yourself, dropping your thoughts, and allowing your vibes to get louder within you, you know? That's maybe just moving. If you can only move like a robot, find a way to start getting back in your body, right? Go for long, swift walks. Let the residual energy and the resistance pour out of you. And know it's pouring out of you. Don't get stuck in the victimhood of, oh, look at me, I'm crying, I can't get out of this, what's wrong with me? I'm releasing. I am releasing. And I call my power back to me. Nothing positive comes from holding on to your wounds of the past. I know this. Nothing positive comes. Call your power back to you. Learn how to drop the thoughts. That's a big one. Learn, but you can drop it. You can just drop your thoughts. If I had more time, we'd do a meditation together, because there are ways for you to take a glimpse of who you truly are. Right? And that is for you to find out. And if you stay on the path, and if you know that you're more than this, you'll find your way out. All right. Namaste. Stay on the path. I'll see you on the path.